How to remove connected Google account from Reddit. So firstly, just open the Reddit application. Now head over to your profile section. Now simply tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner over here. Now tap on settings. Now under general, you'll find account settings. Now tap on account settings. Now scroll down and under connected accounts, you'll find your Google account and the email that you have logged in. And there is a blue icon called disconnect. Now simply tap on the button disconnect, and if you tap on continue, and your account will be disconnected. Now confirm OK. Now go to your email and there will be a confirmation link. And also know that to disconnect your Google account, you need to create a Reddit password first. So make sure that you have already created a password. After that, you're good to go. Simply tap on continue and head over to your email. Then simply tap on the reset password icon. Then choose your password. After that, continue, and your account will be disconnected from Reddit. And that's it, guys. In this way, you can easily remove any connected Google accounts from Reddit. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.